Once you've picked your kitchen style, it's time to look at the accessories. Now, every kitchen needs a tap. They do a few different types of taps, different finishes as well. A lot of people these days are looking to get their colour to match their handles. So we do them in a brushed finish, which is right up on trend. We do chrome finish, which is very, very easy to keep clean and very, very classical looking. And we also do black and antique brass as well now, which are really, really on trend. So the different types of taps, we do monoblock, which have the 2 levers, so your hot and your cold. We have the single lever, you've got your on, off, and your hot and cold left and right. Then do some feature taps. So we do pull-out tap, which has got a spray on the end of it, really good getting into the corners of your sink and when you're washing up as well. And then we do your hot water tap, which you can make a cup of tea or coffee direct from the tap. You've got your hot on your one side and your normal finish, normal hot and cold on the left-hand side. And then we do your filtered taps as well. So we have a filtered tap, which saves you having a Brita water filter in your fridge. So you turn it this way to be your filtered water and straight up as your normal hot and cold.